Welcome to this Karuta 2.0 presentation. My name is Jacques Reynaud. I'm a member of the Karuta team. As you will see, Karuta is a very flexible open source portfolio solution. In this short video, I will present an overview of the showcase functionalities available in the new version 2. So what you see now is it's the welcome page of a overall portfolio, an assessment portfolio, but you'll see that there is at the bottom a section called showcase, and this is the section I'm going to demo right now. So I'm going to first hide the edit button, so it's going to be easier for you to follow the presentation, and I'm going to explain them a little bit later. So you have different sections here in the portfolio: about me, experiences, presentation, resume. And if I click on this one, you'll see that it's organized in a very special way. So this is the page called About Me. And there are sections like so much to discover. There's an image here that I put, and then my main interest, where I have a series of this is a picture of my ideal library. This is a text box with a blue background with some white text, some text here about my participation to some kind of online book club. This is the hyperlink to the online book club, but with a picture to sort of illustrate this website. This is a research paper, but with an illustration which is like the cover of the beloved novel by Toni Morrison, and this is a YouTube video about Toni Morrison. So this is the way it's organized. So you'll see that this is sort of a large picture here, and then a series of blocks, which are different types of blocks: images, text, hyperlink, document, and videos. So why it is organized like this? Let's go to the website of Caltech. So Caltech has a pretty sort of similar approach to building its website. So here you have a sort of a large image in the first part, and then you have like smaller images underneath, and then some kind of a sort of block of text and some other images as well. So the idea is not to reproduce exactly this approach, but why this approach is that if you sort of shrink this presentation here, I'm going to sort of skip this. Okay, so if you shrink this window, you'll see that everything flows very nicely. So why it is that it's because it's a sort of responsive design approach. So because of having these blocks and images, everything will sort of flow nicely if you sort of present that on different devices. So this is pretty much the same approach we use in Karuta. So if you sort of if we sort of do the same thing here, we'll see that everything will sort of flow nicely with the different, images, blocks of text, and links will be really nice. So this is the way it goes. So this is why we sort of choose this kind of approach, and I'm going to show you how to sort of to create a new page and how easy it is. So I'm going to sort of come to this page. Now I have the edit buttons that are available for students. I'm going to explain a little bit this case. So this is the showcase portfolio. There's a menu here when you can add a page. This is about sharing. Karuta has very nice sharing possibilities, and here I can put an email there, and colleagues or the people, the recipient of this email, will sort of be able to see my portfolio. Here it's the edit button, so I can change the label of this of the different pages. I can delete them, I can move them around, we'll use that. And this is the hide and show button, so it's right now in position hide. So if I click on it here, you'll see that the eye will be open, so it means that this page will be available for others to see. But if I click back on it, it will sort of hide it for people. So it's very useful when you sort of build your portfolio, you're not ready to show it to everyone, or you want to keep some section really private and others to be public. So that's kind of interesting. So now I'm going to create a new page, and I'm going to call it let's see, sport activities. I'm going to close that. I want to move it a little bit up there, a little bit up, so I'm going to move it here. I'm going to click on it now to sort of to be able to edit it. And this is the important part. I will be able to add a 1-column section, a 2-column section, a 3 or 4-column section. So exactly what I did before. So I'm going to add a 2-column section. And I'm going to, let's see, to add to start with an image here in my 2-column section. Here I'm going to call that, let's see, it's going to be about soccer. So I'm going to call this section soccer, and I'm going to put all the stuff that I did related to soccer. Here I'm going to go and get some kind of image about a nice image about soccer. Let's see, I'll take this one. Okay, I'm going to get there. So I have this image. Let's see, I want to maybe add some text, and I'm going to edit this block of text. I'm going to, let's see, this I was quite involved in soccer. Maybe I want to copy that. Let's see, it's going to be I want to copy that a couple times, so it will feel a little bit nicer, the box. Maybe I want to put some kind of background here, color. So I'm going to change the background, maybe put some yellow there. That will be nice. Maybe I want to change the size of the font, maybe put it like in bold, maybe. So I want to refresh that here. So this is the second part. I can move that around if I want. So I can put that in the first place or second place. And then I can add, let's see, a document that will be down here, and I want to go and get my document. It's about coaching activities, my coaching philosophy. So it's there. I have a document now. It would be nicer if I can put an image. And what I did is I did a snapshot of the first page as an image, so I can put it there. And yeah, I want to change that because this is the generic name for this document. So I'm going to put my soccer philosophy as a name here. Okay, so you'll see I can add all sorts of things, like as I said, a document. I can add a hyperlink, I can add an image, a text, and embed. So this is the way it goes, and I can now come back and add maybe a 1-column section, and then I will be able to add, let's say, a big image that will follow through there. I can move this section back up if I want, and here I can let's see, come back. So this is the way it goes. This is the way we can build portfolios using Karuta. So the idea is really to keep some kind of to give the students lots of flexibility, but keep that fairly organized, so if they want to display that on phones, on tablets, or other people will want to see that, everything will flow very nicely, and it will get a very nice look about that. So I hope you find that very useful. There are lots more functionalities about this showcase portfolio, but I guess we'll stop it here.